AcuVigil focuses on delivering customized and consistent network and application delivery services to our customers that are attuned to the needs of their business. You end up with a platform and a partner that can help the business thrive with technology rather than just try to survive technology. My name is Dwayne Mangan. I'm the SVP for Technology Operations for Scale Computing. What makes AcuVigil really unique is the combination of visibility with network configuration and orchestration into a single application delivery platform with an app delivery catalog that allows businesses to see what's happening in their networks, control it, and then as they have business needs to solve with data management, data extraction, things like that on the local network, you've got a platform there that you can put into the store and then expand and adapt to the needs of the business. AcuVigil stays ahead of the curve by ensuring consistency within the fleet, while also allowing customers to bundle security workloads like internal and external scanning in a way that automates these best practices and then prioritizes for customers where their time should go for remediation activities. Scale has been a PCI Level 1 service provider for the AcuVigil platform for over a decade now. We're not just saying our payment services are compliant. We're saying everything we do is covered in that assessment. With the recent acquisition and with where Scale Computing is headed in our efforts to improve edge application delivery, AcuVigil is going to evolve from being really an embedded platform as it is now into becoming that virtual network function that you can deploy. So when customers have a hypervisor layer from one of our platforms, now they can start treating the network and their software applications as software that they can define and redefine and interact with in many of the same ways as you interact with the cloud to adapt the technology within the store to their changing business needs.